Oh, wala
Kasi
tayong
nagugas
time.
ako kanina eh. Hindi ako din.
I was calling you, but you didn't want to hear it. So that shows your friendship, man.
I'm just doing my responsibility, moron.
Dickhead.
Oo, pero hindi yun
You could have saved it for
detalye.
Hindi yan, hindi
Oh,
yan.
tignan mo ba? Hindi.
Hindi, syempre, umpisa muna bago po.
Bawal daw sabihin
sa
kasi
matapos.
bawal daw sabihin sa atin.
Sabihin ko nga
It's okay.
sa'yo.
I want them to know. It's okay.
Hindi bawal daw.
Actually,
Ang uwi mo
sinabi ko
talaga.
alam naman daw niya eh. Right!
Hindi ko alam.
No, she doesn't know that part. She doesn't know that part.
Ayun,
Ay.
sinabi.
She doesn't know that part.
Ba't mo binuhol yung buhok niya?
Say your voice, breath flow, breath flow.
Binuhol niya yung buhok mo?
Wala na nga split ends yan, nilagyan mo mga knot. Ala, ano trip mo? Hala, baliw. Ala.
But know that if ever, solid.
Alam ko, gets ko yan.
Uwi na ako.
Whatever.
Wala nang yung Chris
Chris messing with you because I have the right.
Kasi
Sige, kaya nga.
ilat daw
I
niya
have the right. You know that.
Wala na tayong fans, yung love team yung dalawa.
Diyan
Oh,
yan.
they're gone. They're mad.
Hindi, hindi.
Ay, din pa rin kasi
Sana they're the ones who pull for
nakakahapon.
us. Sana they're gonna be the ones
Kanina.
pulling for us.
Oo, kanina.
They're more
Kanina
mad
mas
at me than
maganda.
they're me.
Siyempre, sigurado sa akin, posibleng
They're mad at you.
wala na akong
They're
magawa
really
sa
your,
fans
alam
ko.
mo, they're really your fans. They just added me. Because they have another banner that says Chris Pastor. And then Chris Pastor Enhance and Love Team. Ganun. They were really pulling it up.
For sure!
They were like,
Boto ka nila, lalo na may... Ay! Ay!
Lalo may nabi. Ang bata. Lalo na may ano.
Wala! Wala.
Uwi nyo, may ganun pa kang nalalaman na iya-iya, ano, para mga bata.
Ano
Bata
yun?
pa.
Ano yun? Bring it out in the open. There's nothing. Vance, honey, my love. He's sweet.
Hindi nga ako nahihiya sa kanya eh. Ikaw, mahihiya kay Sen, sabi mo, I love you.
But I like your look last Saturday. That's so super bagay for you.
Yung parang yung last week, yun yung pinaka-the best.
Gagano na ako.
Yun na palagi hanggang magtanda ka.
So hot. It's so...
Ang iput,
Sa
ang
You look so
hanggat
sophisticated pa. You look like
ilagay ka na sa ataol.
You look like the artistas on Saturday.
Sige. Huwag na ako gano'n na. For sure, this Saturday, gano'n rin itsura ko.
No, that's gonna be your look.
Sino
from now
nag-make
on.
up?
Yeah.
Si Heart.
Oh, si Reddy.
Ang galing niya.
Si Paris. Yung gusto ko kanina.
But it's so funny, me and Ben at the same, like, it's so funny. Pahalos almost the same evaluation. Although you found your voice. Galing. Rock. Although, but that's beyond our control because that wasn't our control, di ba? But hey, in fairness to this, I didn't mention this, to Ryan.
Boboto na ako.
To
Boboto
Ryan.
na siguro. Kasi
So
nalibig sila.
disrespectful. To Direk. Tumawag yung composer. Imagine the composer of the song Hold On. Grabe.
Sinaksak mo ang puso.
Who Direks?
Alam ko na, nag-gets ko na naman.
Who?
Dali niyo mag-gets. Corny
Wow,
kasi
firm.
mga secrets.
It's not so... Oh, is that jello-y?
No, it's not! Yeah, it is.
This one,
Ako
no?
din meron ako.
Wala, konti lang.
What's wrong?
Wala lang. Space out.
Ganda lang yung
I
space.
think you need a foot rub. I think you need a foot rub.
Hindi, wala.
Honey, my love.
Naisip lang ako.
Ay, so sweet, Will, ano?
Diamonds are forever. Forever.
Ako?
Teka, ito naman yun eh. Kailangan ba ng... sabi, huwag na. Mamaya na.
I didn't do the same thing. Stupid. And I didn't. Ay, sapos.
Yung inisip. Alam ko inisip mo yung ano.
Hindi ako mag-isip ng
sinabi
18 years
mo
old.
kanina.
Hindi kagaya na
Kaya
buboy.
ganyan.
Ako?
Baka ako mag-isip eh.
He means in the interpretation of the song. Your interpretation of the song is batang isip.
No, pero-
Isip bata.
Hindi, okay lang.
But me, I know first and you're mature.
Pwede yun
Mature
nga,
ka.
naisip
More
mo.
on.
You are mature.
No.
He means in the... Because when I saw that too, parang, okay, you didn't really emote.
Ayan
Like,
na.
I was surprised with myself. I didn't know I emoted like that. Diba? And my eyes weren't even so sharp, but my skin was so bad.